Hello, today we will guide you through how to change a blog post thumbnail image in Squarespace. In this walkthrough, we'll update the image that represents your blog content in lists, summaries, and other places where a thumbnail appears. Thumbnails are sometimes called featured images, and choosing a clear, on-brand visual can make a big difference in how readers engage with your posts. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to edit. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and select Website. This is where you control the visible parts of your site. Next, go to Pages. Here, you'll see all your site's pages and collections. Find your blog in the list. If you have more than one blog, select the one where you want the thumbnail to change. Hover over the blog entry and click the three dots to open more options. Then choose Settings. This opens the panel where you can manage visuals and other details for the blog. Locate the current image area. If there's an image already assigned, click Remove Image. This clears the existing thumbnail so you can add a new one. Don't worry, you can always upload a replacement right away. Now click Add Image. A file picker will appear, allowing you to upload from your computer or choose from your site's library. Browse to the image you want to use and select it. For best results, choose a high-quality image that matches the look and feel of your site. A horizontal image with safe margins around key subjects usually crops more gracefully across different layouts. Keep file sizes reasonable so pages load quickly, and avoid text-heavy graphics that may be hard to read when scaled down. Once the image finishes uploading, give it a moment to process. If you see a focal point control, set it over the most important part of the image to improve how it crops in summaries. When you're satisfied, click Save. Saving applies your changes to the site. After saving, your updated thumbnail will appear wherever your blog uses that image in lists, summaries, or blocks connected to the blog. If you don't see the change right away on the live site, refresh the page or clear your browser cache to let the new image load. If your design uses content blocks that inherit images, the new thumbnail should flow through automatically. That's it. You've removed the old image, added a new one, and saved your changes. With a strong thumbnail in place, your blog should look more polished and inviting to readers.